morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the plumbing trade. Good morning!
Good morning.
Are you with us?
Sadly.
Come on now. Don't touch nothing. Are you ready?
Yeah.
For today's plumbing adventure, we are replacing two outside bibs. We'll see when we get there. We're replacing this bib. It's leaking. All right, right here's the valve. Shut that off. Come down here. Bring our light. It looks like they have a 10-inch bib. We're going to do an 8, and we're going to cut it right back here. I'm going to pull it out for you. Yeah, just peel that back and we can put it back on when we're done.
Yeah. Before or after?
We'll get rid of them couplings. Lift the handle so you don't get no water in it. You're going to have a little bit of water in there. Lift the handle. There you go. So you don't get no water down the tube. Should be cut already. You're getting water. There you go. We want this to be pitched like that. The washer's right here. So you always want this pitched out towards the hose because this water here, trapped in here, drains out. That's what makes it a frost proof.
Okay.
All right, just so you know. So this is the old one we just pulled out. See how it's probably a 12-inch. For a 12-inch block, we don't actually need that. So I'll make an extension long enough so you can.
Just give me extra and I could always cut it.
Yeah, exactly.
You're on camera, sorry.
That's all right. Oh. Okay. Angelo, you've seen this, right? How this has a wedge already built. This the top creates a pitch for the bib.
Okay. Oh, I'm not head down.
All right.
Battery?
Did you charge it up yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? The Pro Press? No, you didn't charge Pro Press. That was throw one on charge just in case.
In case things get real. So just 2 half-inch couplings?
Yeah. Piece of sandcloth.
Got it.
I'm gonna see if this can make it through both holes. Oh yeah. Here we go, pal. Ba-boom. I like it. I'm gonna prefab this other one too, so you can take the Pro Press and be down there and do what you got to do. Here's what I'll do. We'll do this one, and then while you're hooking up, I'll prefab, and then you can hand it out to me before you crawl back into the corner.
Okay. So
Sound like a better plan?
Okay.
I gotta drill this out for the anchors though, alright?
Alright.
I'll make it you know what, I'm gonna make you cut it. I don't wanna make it too short. Never mind. This will be 2 inches longer for you, okay? Here we come, pal. Yeah. Let me secure it, and then you can do your thing. Oops. No more hammer drill. Okay, Angelo, tie it in. You go ahead and tie it in. This is actually the easy one. Right next to the crawl space entrance. Give the boys some confidence.
He's anchored in outside. There you go. There. Right there. Some sandpaper, not bad, bro. Yeah, give it a little love tug. Here we are. We're about to test my end of the bib. Gotta turn the water on first. Nice and slow. There you go. We're good. We're good.
Let's test it out, boys. That's it. Good job. Get her done.
Yes.
Did we get her done?
Yes.
And what do we got? No, by the way, you did a nice job. A very nice job. CB, be proud. I'm proud. What we got? Another one.
You got a banger tomorrow, another banger tomorrow.
No. What do we got?
Bad party.
What kind of customer we got? You got to teach the boy.
Very satisfied. Very satisfied.
What kind?
Very satisfied.
Very satisfied, right? Got it?
No, you got it.
And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one.